Hey Clerk Chat community, this is Alex here, CEO and co-founder. Super excited to be showcasing our latest feature, the block list. So let's go ahead and show you how that feature works. So I'm going to go ahead and text in. We got the word hello here. And what I'm going to be able to do is I can find the new block icon here just by selecting the ellipses or three dots here, or I can head up here and click block as well. Let's go ahead and click that. And if I try to send another message, well, just as anticipated, absolutely nothing will happen.
And if you'd like to unblock or remove that person from the block list, head over to the contacts panel. You're going to notice there's a new tab here called block list. You'll see the people that have been added to the block list. Let's go ahead and click the trash icon and you'll be prompted to remove them from a block list. So it will give you the confirmation. Let's go ahead and confirm. And you can now go ahead and start a new conversation with that person and receive text message from that person as well. Block lists work for the entire organization. So if one person blocks that phone number, it will work on behalf of the entire organization to ensure compliance and to reduce phishing attempts and malicious text messages. Thank you.